What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to style your hair like Shawn Mendes. Let's get started. So first thing we need to do in order to style our hair like Shawn Mendes is to lose the hat, wash, and condition our hair. So let's do that right now. Alright, so we are back, shampooed and conditioned, and my hair is ready to get styled. So like I said, we're going to be doing a Shawn Mendes inspired hairstyle tutorial. I'll throw up this picture right there. His hairstyle is very simple. It's very relaxed, very pulled back. It probably has a little bit of product in it, but it looks like he doesn't take too much time when it comes to styling his hair. Now I know my haircut isn't exactly perfect for that particular hairstyle because mine's a little bit shorter here on the sides, but we're gonna work with it. We're gonna make it work and we're gonna see how it comes out. So I'm gonna take a guess and say that Shawn Mendes is probably using something that is texturizing and a little bit voluminous when it comes to styling his hair. So we're gonna use a sea salt spray and we are going to use a texturizing clay in order to achieve volume and lift for this hairstyle. And as you can see, I've dried my hair with a towel basically until it's almost all the way dry here. Like there's not much dampness left in my hair at all. And that's because we're going to resaturate the hair with the McKeithan Pedro salt. So I'm going to generously coat this throughout my hair. And as I'm coating this throughout my hair, I'd like to take this opportunity to tell you about today's video's sponsor, Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is my favorite jewelry company, guys. As you know, I literally wear their stuff all the time. It's literally incredible when it comes to price, quality, and stylishness. It helps you take your style to the next level without having to break the bank and buy incredibly expensive pieces. So if you guys want to check out Rose Gold and Black, I will link them for you in the description. There's a coupon code associated with that link so you can get a little bit of a discount on your toy as well. Head over to rosegoldandblack.com and don't forget to tell them who sent you. Alright, now that we've got the sea salt spray all the way worked into my hair, now I'm going to go in with the Forte Series Texturizing Clay. Now this is not a very voluminous hairstyle at all. It's more of just a relaxed, wavy, kind of pulled back look. I don't need to use that much of the texturizing clay. I'm only going to use a little bit of it, and I'm going to strategically place it in various parts of my hair in order to achieve a wavy, pulled back kind of look. Normally I use about the size of a quarter. I'm literally only getting like that much, almost none. And you'll see why in a second. One, because this is very sticky product, but also because I'm only going to put it really in a couple of specific places. So I'm going to emulsify that, break it up, and notice how I'm concentrating it in the fingers and not down in the palm of my hand because I want to be able to control where it's going. So now that's all the way broken up. I'm only going to place it on this part of my head because my hair is going to flow this way, right? So I want this part of my head to have a lot of volume so that it can support the hair that's going this way and almost create like a whooshing wave-like effect. So I'm going to put some product there. I'm going to put some product over here because that's where the hair is pushing from. And I'm going to go in the middle and the back, just like this, kind of pulling forward and meshing this together. And then once the hair product is almost all the way off my fingers, then I'm going to get just a little bit on the front like that. And see how it's already starting to create that waving effect? That's because I put the product over here and pressed it this way. So now when I lay the hairs back over that opposite direction, it's holding them up because there's product on that side and there's not product on this side. Make sense? Yes. And sometimes he has these like dangling hairs down here like this as well. You can keep that if you want, or you can pull it back and make it look more clean. Whatever you think works best. Alright, and that's pretty much it. I'm not going to use a hairdryer because I don't want volume. Again, I just want this texturized, messy kind of look. So I'm going to let this air dry for about 30 minutes. And I'm going to check back in with you in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, and this is the final results for the hairstyle. It's been about 45 minutes. I let my hair air dry all the way, and I also went and sat outside in the sun. So this is the results of air drying, sea salt spray, and again the Forte Series texture clay. Just a little bit though, just a little bit to add some texture. What do you guys think? Did I nail the hairstyle? How did it come out? Let me know in the comment sections down below. Drop this video a big fat thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications if you have not already. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.